Hi, this is me and this is he. So, we interpreted Bruno Mars cover It Will Rain. If you ever leave me, baby, leave something at my door. Cause it would take a whole lot of meditation to realize what you do have that don't have anymore. There's no religion could save me, no matter how the mind is on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifice I'm making. We'll keep you by my side. We'll keep you from walk at the door. Cause there be the sunlight. If I lose you, baby, there'll be no clear skies. If I lose you, baby, just like us clouds down, how we do the same. If you walk away, every day rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look into the eye. Ooh, if I was your dad, should do the same thing. I say there's got my little girl with some troublesome guys, but they're just afraid of something can't understand. Ooh, little girl can catch me, there's a mind. Yeah, I try. I keep this broken piece until I'm bleeding. Get out to make you mine. But still in the sunlight. If I lose you, baby, there'll be no clear skies. If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds do, how we do the same. If you walk away, every day rain, rain, rain. Oh, don't just say goodbye. Don't just say goodbye. I keep with this broken fist until I'm bleeding. Try to make it right. Cause damn in the sunlight. If I lose you, baby, there'll be no clear skies. If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds, my hands will do the same. If you walk away, every day the rain, rain.